Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Insights by Patent Cloud. In this video, we'll show you how to use family prior art in Quality Insights. The first section of family prior art shows the simple patent family, which consists of patent applications with the exact same priority. The legal status data is calculated based on the prosecution history and maintenance fee payment status. You can discover if there are any abandoned family members prior to reviewing the family prior art list. Scroll down to see the collection of backward citations from the simple patent family. Quality Insights automatically extracts the applicability based on the prosecution history and applicable date of the patent at issue. The reference refers to the source of the backward citation. Use the search bar to quickly filter out the prior art references cited in the prosecution or PTAB history with star, E, I or P and the section code. Additionally, entering ABAN in the search bar can filter out the backward citations of the abandoned patent family. This information is beneficial and can be used as a good point of reference when preparing an IPR proposal. Thanks for watching.